अस्सलाम वालेकुम, स्कॉटिश देसी असमत हियर एक बार फिर आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है। आज हम बनाएंगे लैम शैंक्स मिट्टी की हांडी के ऊपर। हाय, स्कॉटिश देसी असमत हियर। Today I'm going to be making lamb shanks, which I will be making on the clay pot. My pot is heating up very nicely. That's Kashmiri red chilli. These are black cardomons, some cinnamon sticks, green cardomons, cloves, whole black pepper. These will be put in whole, exactly as is. So we have garlic, ginger, chilli, onions, fresh coriander we'll add towards the end. We have some tomatoes which will go in, and yogurt, about 4 tablespoons of yogurt will also go in. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I'm going to add the onions. Give the onions a little bit of mix. Add 1 teaspoon of salt into the onions. I'm going to add all of these dry spices. So the cloves, cardomoms, black cardomoms, Kashmiri mirt, cinnamon, black pepper. All this is going to go in now. The lamb shanks. Now add the yogurt. Four tablespoons of yogurt. And so about 2 lal Kashmiri mirch, 2 red chilli, ground red chilli, 2 spoons of zeera, 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon of turmeric, and another 1.5 spoon of salt. Okay, so that's the tomatoes all chopped up. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes in. I'm going to just add in the garlic, ginger and chilli. a little bit of water. Some fresh coriander. We'll just cover this up with water. Plenty of water goes in, and then this is just going to be left for a couple of hours to just cook away in the pot, and we'll come back and see it again in a couple of hours. Hi, as you can see, it's the next day now. The shanks and the clay pot took a really long time. It was about 3 hours of cooking, and after 3 hours it was iftari time. I enjoyed my iftari and we're in the next day. So now I'm going to show you the final product, or the shanks. As you can see, they were completely amazing, absolutely off the bone dish. Come and have a look and I'll show you what they look like. I've just put on some fresh coriander on the top, and if you take a look at, just do this just now with the knife, they look completely amazing. It's coming right off, and the bone, you can see the gravy was just a rich colour. That was the tomatoes and kashmiri mirch. There's a lot of mirch of course in here, which I dropped on. So it is quite a spicy dish, and as you can see, it's just absolutely amazing. If you can come in right into that and focus in on this. So do try this. It takes a long time, but the end result is absolutely amazing. So, Asmatullah nudaw ijazat. I will see you again with another video. Stay safe, be happy. Allah Hafiz.